What's good, people? Welcome, good night. Greetings to all. Welcome to the channel. This is Smart Entry Forex, and I am here to teach you guys everything about Forex the old fashioned way, the basic, straight and to advanced. So, you guys are here to grow with me from scratch. You guys are here to watch me trade. You guys are here to learn. So, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon, turn on post notification for further updated posts. So let us dive right into this video. Okay, so if you're new to trading, if you're new to Forex, then you know that Forex is the exchange of foreign currency. That means you exchange one money for another. Like, for example, you trade USD, which is the United States of America dollar, for the euro, which is, or the GBP, which is Great Britain, the pound, right? So it's basically that. So you just trading one money for another, and Forex is done every day. It's done in our daily life, every single day our life. If you go to the supermarket, you do trading, but you might not trade like the currency, but you might trade it in a different way. For example, if you buy oil, say oil price go up. So yesterday it was at $1, today that it's at $2. So you go in and get oil, but the trend go on. Trading exists long time, and it's going on for decades, and it's still going on even until today. So there are a lot of speculation out there about Forex. Is Forex a scam? Can you make money from Forex, and all the question going on from now till tomorrow? Yes, Forex, you can make money from Forex. Forex is not a scam. You have brokers out there that are scammers, and today in this video we are here to talk about broker, and it's a specific broker that I'm going to talk about today. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned for the video. All right, so as I said before, you have so many brokers out there that do scamming. You have so many persons out there that do scamming. I just want you guys to know that you have traders and you have marketers. And traders are person who trade. Like me, I just trade. I don't do recruitment. I don't invite people nor nothing like that to join my team. All I do, I pick up my phone and go on the chart. I'm trying to find a sweet spot for me to enter a trade. That's all. Make money. I'm just here to kill the market, even though it can't dead. But I'm just here to live in the market. Just eat and live and all of that. I don't think people. Maybe you can get rich. Depends on your vision or your view of richness. But if you're doing Forex, don't try to get rich. Just try to be financial free and stabilize yourself, and forever. That's it. Just keep in that bracket. Stabilize yourself, be financial free, where you have no bills and all of that. You can use Forex money and pay your bills and all of that. Just be happy, buy things where you want, but don't try to be rich, because you will get confused. All right. So yes, so in this video I'm gonna tell you guys about the broker that I use, and I would want you guys to research it and to do your homework before you even jump into this broker. But we're going to talk about it. So far we're going to talk about the pros, and we're going to talk about the cons. So yes, let's dive right into this again. All right, so first, here on my list we have Tickmill. Well, tonight I'm going to talk about Tickmill. Tickmill is a broker, and they have been here for, I think, 5 years. Let us go right down to the information part. So from 2015 until now, that's 5 years, right? And they are regulated by the FCA, by the CY SEC, and by the ACPR, and by the CNVM, and they're regulated a lot. So they're very regulated in Germany, England, Cyprus, in many places. And just for you guys, just to let you guys know that I'm a proud user of Tickmill, and I love Tickmill, and I'm going to tell about the pros, and I'm going to tell about the cons. But first, before I dive into that, let us just dive into what Tickmill have to offer. So yes, you know that Tickmill is already regulated, and that is the first choice of you using Tickmill, right? Using a regulated broker, because at the end of the day, you guys don't want to be using an a broker that is not regulated, and then you have problems in the long run. I honestly recommend Tickmill when it comes to regulations, right? Then the things that I'm gonna speak about deep down in the video, you will definitely decide what you wanna do when you hear all of that. All right? Yeah. So you know that Tickmill, it's 5 years now. They're in the trading game, the brokerage game, right? And they are regulated by England and others. So you know, see your money protected and all of that, right? So now we're gonna see what Tickmill have to offer, right? So trading, them do forex, them do stocks, indices and oil, precious metal and bonds, right? So you know, see them do all of that. But if you want to get more in depth, you can always request that, or you can visit them site at tickmill dot I think is eur.com. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description just to let you guys know I'm not affiliate. I'm not. This is not sponsored. This is anything. I'm doing this all by myself because I want you guys to be on the right path. That's all. All right. So I am. They're not. This was not sponsored by them, or they don't pay me to say anything or do anything. I'm doing this for my own benefit. All right. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave their site so you can always just follow the link. I am not gonna get any commission or anything like that. This is not a referral link. So yes, you covered it. You cannot join for free. I'm not gonna get anything. Oh, and one more thing, you can also sign up, or you can sign up for a welcome bonus. You're gonna get $30, and you can start trade in the market with live money. And yes, you can withdraw the money after you make, like, if you make $130, you can like tell him that you need the money to transfer into your live into the your live account that you're gonna sign up with. So you're gonna get a welcome account, and then you're gonna have to sign up for the live account where you transfer the profit from the bonus, the welcome, to your live. All right. Yeah. So they have we're gonna check out the account overview. We're gonna see the account that they have to offer. So they have the pro account, they have the classic, and they have the VIP. So basically, as you can see, the minimum deposit is $100 for the pro, for the classic, and for the VIP. I'm not seeing anything there, so I guess that you don't need a deposit. Well, I'm just saying that because I don't see anything right here, right? The minimum balance, right? Nothing for the pro, nothing for the classic, and 5,000. I think this is 50,000. Sorry, 50,000 USD for the VIP. Right? Available base currency, and this, when they say base, they mean that the currency that you're gonna have, like they're gonna pay you in, or what you're gonna use to trade, right? So when you deposit the money, you're gonna see either one of these four: USD, Euro, GBP, or PLN, right? So one of those four, and that is gonna be your base currency that you're gonna see. That is what you're gonna have within your account, and that is depending on where you're from and the type of money that you want to use. So I am from in the Caribbean, Jamaica, and I use USD, right? So my base currency is the USD. Okay, and I do have a pro account, but if you want to see, just stick around on the channel. You're gonna see more information in depth later on in the future of me with all of my account and thing. And yes, I am gonna do live trading whenever I get the chance to trade. You're gonna see all the trades live. Like, you're gonna then on a Sundays, I'm gonna try to do technical analytics where I fix the chart for the following week. So I'm gonna try to do that every Sunday. I do it just to determine the week. All right, so we get into that when that time comes. So for the spreads, you for the pro account, you have 0 pips, which, trust me guys, they have good spread. I'm not gonna tell you any lie, especially when the market is active. Like when the market just open, like So if you enter the market early, like on a Sunday, or when the market switch over, like from the New York to the Asian to the European to the England market, the spreads are going to be very wide. Just to let you guys know, they're going to be wide, but when the market start get active and all the contracts come in, then the spread is going to get really really small, and that is a very good thing because I have traded brokers before, like for example, XM Global and Hot Forex, and the spreads are very wide. So when you place a trade, you always end up in the negative, right? 100% of the time. So you know you have to get a good accuracy accuracy entry, or else you're gonna end up in the negative and you're gonna think that the entry was wrong. So you have to think, put that in the front of your mind about spreads, and you have to understand spread. And if you want to see more a video in depth about spreads, then you can request it, and we will dive deeper into spread, because a lot of persons, they talk about forex and they talk about what they make, and they talk about their goal and their achievements and all of that, but they don't tell you about these things. And that is where I come in, because I think that that is missing from the forex, right, industry, or from the YouTubers who do forex. So I'm here to educate you while we trade, while we earn. So our motto is trading, learning, and earning. So always remember that, guys. All right. So we're gonna dive into spread some other time, but just to let you know that for the pro account, you have zero pips, right? And for the classic, which I don't know anything about the classic, but based off of the information that they have here, I am thinking that yes, it is right, because they are regulated, and I use the pro account, and everything that the pro account said, it's true so far, right? And so I am assuming that everything that the classic is saying right here is also true. So they have 1 to 1.6 pips, and for the VIP is 0 pips as well. Okay, for the leverage, they have good leverage, guys. Trust me, they have good leverage. And leverage is a thing again. And if you want me to dive deeper into leverage, I can, right? Because I'm still learning about leverage as we speak, as we go along, right? I am still learning about leverage. With Hot Forex, they offer leverage to 1,000. XM Global, same thing. And what I get to understand is that when you have a good leverage, like a 1 to 300 or 1 to 200, trust me, you will get a better chance with risk management. And as I said, I would have to build a next video for that to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So everything here from spread and leverage is going to be a specific and a different topic from this one. So please stick around, because you guys are going to learn so much thing what you never even know, but other person is not going to tell you. But I'm going to just tell everything, because I am not selling any course, I'm not selling any signal, and all I'm doing is just educating you guys, because I think that this is just fabulous to learn, and I love to teach, trust me. So you guys will learn a lot. Just stick around, we're gonna be best of friends right here. All right, a lot of person gonna hate me, but we're gonna be best friends. All right, so when it comes to leverage, as I said, you want to ensure that you have a broker with good leverage, because leverage is the main thing for trading, because you don't want your account to blow every time. You want, when you reach at a certain distance, you want the account to either stop or to save your money, right? So you don't want your account to be blown. And you have brokers out there that don't care, and they will allow your account to blow. So leverage is all about that. I'm gonna dive deeper into that into our next video. So please stick around. Okay, so they offer leverage, a good leverage 1 to 300, and I don't recommend using 1 to 300. I recommend using 1 to 200 and lower. That is what I recommend. Now when I mean lower, I mean 1 to 200, 1 to 100, 1 to 50, 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 1. Those are good. Those are good. Anything be over 1 to 300 is not recommended by me, and that is 100%. All right, the maximum leverage for pro clients, the same thing. As you can see, they are emphasizing on the 300. They are not going over. And when you get familiar with your platform, you can actually go into your own account and change the leverage depending on how you want to trade, because they give you all the leverage as what every broker gives to you, but they are recommending you that you use 200 or the maximum 300. As you can see, max. They don't recommend you to go anywhere above that, right? However, you can go above it, but they don't recommend. All right. Um. So for the mini lots, you have, and this is so they have mini lots for mini lots, minimum lots, where you can trade mean the amount of money you can use out of your account for trade, and you have 0.01. That is the smallest, like, where you can use. You know, say 0.01. It raise based off of the type of account you have. So if you have a pro account, like a pro account in this case would be like a micro, and the classic would be a mini, and then I think the VIP would be a standard, basically, because that's how I show you, right? So just common sense, guys, right? So so in the for the pro account, this would be 10 cent, and for the 10 cent per pips, right? If you're trading that, and this one would be I think is I'm not sure, but I have to dive deeper in that again just to show you, break that down for you. But I know that the bigger one, I think is $1 per pip, right? I know that account will blow fast if you don't know what you're doing, right? For the commission, this is another thing, guys, that I would have to dive down again and tell you about, because Tickmill have so much to offer. I don't think I'm going to cover everything in this video, so I would have to do a part 2 of Tickmill. So if you're interested, please stay around and please watch till the end, and ensure that you like and ensure that you comment, because you're going to learn so much information here on this channel for free. I am not selling any course, I am not selling any signal, I am not selling anything. I'm giving you this information for free. Nothing. I don't want anything. All I need you to do is to like, subscribe, and share the videos. That's all. And just join the community and just write something genuine, right? All right. For the commission, I like them because of this. Don't mind the other brokers that do not take any commission, right? It's a give and take situation when it comes to Forex, right? It's like the bank. If a bank is going to give you money and they're not going to take any interest, they're taking something that you don't even know about. They are giving you a condition apply. That little fine print that you always see, conditions apply. And I'm going to just talk in general right now, so that my overseas people can understand as well. So if you're going to like go into a contract and you see the words conditions apply, trust me, you everything it's just for that purpose. Conditions apply. So if I'm giving you $1 and I'm saying that okay, it's okay, you don't have to give him back any interest rate, and then I write at the bottom conditions apply, it means that I'm willing to take back something. All you need to do is read those fine print. That's all. Conditions apply simply mean that read the fine prints, and if you don't read the fine prints, God dog eat a supper. Okay, so for the commission with Tickmill, they do charge. So if you're using a pro account, which I use, and I think that a lot of persons is gonna start off with a pro account, so they're gonna take it depends on the currency. This is very critical, people. This is very critical, and I need you guys to embed this in your brain. Depends on the currency that you're using. Tickmill is gonna charge a percentage, right? A percentage of the currency rate that you are using. So if I trade the British currency a lot, right? So I know when I'm trading the British currency, whenever I use the mini lot of 0.01, right? They always take a commission of 3 cents or 4 cents, right? It all depends upon the other currency, the other money beside it, right? So yes, they do charge, and here's the thing, that's the only thing they're going to charge you for, the commission. And they do take commission, and it's better when they take commission, because when they do take commission, everything works out well. The other brokers that don't take commission, like Hot Forex and XM Global, trust me, they have a wide spread, and you can't get rid of that because they charge based off the spread. So whenever you place a trade, you have to wait like 10 to 15 minutes before you start gaining profit. That is why some of the time most of you guys start the trade and enter into the negative. When if you're using Tickmill, when you start a trade, 80% of the time you're gonna enter into profit as long as your entry is perfect. So if you do an entry and I know that it was, if you predict it to go up but it was all the way down and you enter it and then it push down a little, you know you're gonna definitely be in the reds. But if you enter the trade and it push up same time while you enter it, you're definitely in profit. That is Tickmill have good spread. And I'm gonna talk about spreads again, as I said, in a different video, right? But the commission are very good, very very good. As you can see, two side, two per side per 100,000 trades, and then you have zero commissions for the classic, right? And then you have the same thing, one side per 100,000 trades. So yes, they do charge commission, and commission is good. Trust me, commission is good. Let them take them commission because you're gonna get a good spread from these company in the end, right? And everything else is intact. Everything else is intact. You can do scalping for those scalp out there. I do scalping a lot. I don't play with scalping, especially with gold, but that is for another video. I'm going to show you guys how I scalp when it comes to gold in the future when I get the opportunity. Okay, all right, so let us move on. So that was everything about the trading accounts what they have to offer. Let's move on to the conditions now, what they have. So they have the deposit and withdrawal, they have spread and swaps, they have leverage and margins, and they have trading costs and fee. And you guys can go through them by yourself and check out these little things, the trading conditions, which I don't think I'm going to cover that into this. As I said, I'm going to split up everything and go in depth in another video about everything about the spread and the swaps, but you can read about it so that when I come to explain it, you already understand it. All right, so do your homework. So the platform that they use is MetaTrader 4 and the web trader. And the web trader, guys, just pause just to let you guys know that don't follow the chaos, don't follow the noise, don't follow the up and down mouth movement, right, about scamming and all of that when it comes to MetaTrader 4. Yes, I believe people can scam. Don't get it wrong. There are a lot of scammers out there that will scam, but a person like me that don't buy course, don't sell course, don't buy signal, don't sell signal, I don't got no time to scam. When I push my money in the account, when I deposit my money in a broker's account and I open my MetaTrader 4, I am going in there to make money. That's all, not to scam, because how the hell why would I fake something when I'm losing for real? I ain't got no time for that. I don't want to look pretty. I want money. I don't care about prettiness nor no fancy show. I need money. That's all. So people out there will scam, right? Just look out for that, but don't worry about the talking. Don't just do what you have to do. For the client tools, you have webinar, you have a lot of education tools what they offer where you can get into as soon as you start trading. So if you if you actually do a deposit, like you put in your first $100, all of these is gonna unlock to you. Some of them are locked, they're waiting for you because it's once you is a member, right? Once you become a member of the Tickmill broker, then everything is now you have access to everything. So as I'm saying, you don't need no course. Trading is common sense. It's like a real life thing. You just have to just look at the market, look exactly what the market is doing, and then follow the market. Read a lot, watch news, just educate yourself, and you will get through to trading. So they have the clients tool and everything here. They have, this is yours, right? And they have the partnership where you can partner with them, and then you can read about them, right? You can read everything about them, and basically that is basically it for Tickmill. You know, as I said, it is a regulated broker, and I am going into depth in a next video where I log into my account and then I show you everything, and then we can start doing some trading. So hopefully we get this thing rolling. So we're gonna do it in steps. So maybe next video I talk about spreads, next video I talk about leverage, and I show you how leverage work, and I will show you how spreads work, and I'm gonna compare Tickmill like with any other broker. So if you have some brokers other than Tickmill that you use, that you think have good spreads, then you can comment down below and recommend them to me, and I will do a comparison. I will put money in both, and I will trade against trade with each other and see how well they act or react. So if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something new today, don't forget to click the bell icon, subscribe to the channel, give this video a big fat thumbs up, and now share it with your friends. Let them know that Smart Entry Forex, don't get the name incorrect, Smart Entry Forex is here to educate you. So remember guys, trading, learning, and earning, and that's it. So have a great day, have a great night, have a wonderful time, and let us trade and make some money. So peace, and we are out.